This is a part of my Unity 3D AI car project. Using wheel colliders and raycasting, 8 cars racing here, bumping into each other and trying to overtake when there is a chance. They can get themselves unstuck, as you can see. My method to get unstuck here, it's quite simple. I'm not strictly controlling the speed, so things could get interesting, letting them bump into here and there, giving other cars a chance to overtake. This is another circuit, a bit more challenging and interesting. The green was pushed to the right by the purple from behind, and now it's doomed. Cars are following waypoints, and depending on the angle and height of the waypoint's location, adjusting engine and brake torque accordingly. My code for adjusting engine and brake torque, quite simple. Another obstacle area, a bit tricky. I didn't design the race circuits. The green on the right is flipped and doomed. This is another circuit. I turned it into two-way. I made this city block. There are 16 cars here driving in completely random directions. I changed the raycasting method slightly. The frontmost rays fan out towards its direction. The codes for the racing and city traffic became pretty long, more than 3,000 lines. The city traffic coding became quite tricky when its objective was not to bump into other cars, while strictly following traffic rules. If you look at the scene view on top, not the game view at bottom, you can see all cars are following traffic rules. At four-way stop on the left and the four-way traffic lights on the right, you can see at first green lights lit on north and southbound streets, and the lights change to green on the east and westbound. Cars can turn right on red. Four-way stop by enumerator coroutine methods, and the four-way traffic lights coroutine I came up with. Both were quite tricky methods to complete. Scene view without drawing raycasting gizmos here. Right turn or left turn yield at T intersection was the easiest to deal with. Cars detect traffic using raycasting, not OnTriggerEnter or stay, one of those. At the traffic lights in the scene view, the eastbound turning left is yielding to the westbound going straight, as the east-westbound light turns to green. I didn't design the city block to be extendable, but I suppose I can easily make it to be, maybe by adding a bridge to link to another block. Moving on to my next project, building a smartphone Unity app.